My name is Luca. I'm 9 years old and I'm going to dirt bike school. I think it's cool that my mom rides dirt bikes with her friends. And it looks really fun, so that's what got me inspired to ask my mom to go to dirt bike school. So we planned a trip to California to go to MotoVentures in Anza.
When you grab the handlebars, keep it straight up and down. Very important.
My name is Andre LaPlante, and I run MotoVentures motorcycle training.
When you put on the gear, it feels like you're turning into a different person, getting ready to ride.
So welcome to MotoVentures, you guys. We're gonna have a lot of fun today.
So Dirt First, you guys, is our curriculum. Being a good dirt bike rider really makes you a better street bike rider as well.
We got all the instructions, and then we all went to go get on the dirt bikes. I was the first one chosen to be able to start riding. I felt less nervous when we started riding down freely.
The benefits of starting kids at a young age is they not learn bad habits. They start to learn the correct stuff right from the get-go. It's all about the building blocks and building a good foundation.
Once we got some laps in, then we went to the trail ride. That was my favorite part because I love trail riding. The funniest moment is when I accidentally rode into one of the coach's back tires. One thing is, everyone falls. This is part of learning. Leave after life, baby. Coach Tiana and Coach Kelly both made it really fun to start riding and made it feel more engaging than normal sports. Over the day, I got more comfortable and confident riding. It's fun to learn the right way in a cool environment. One day I hope I can ride with my mom in Baja and ride motocross. I'm gonna keep riding. It feels good. It's fun. Now that I'm done with dirt school, I really hope my mom will get me a dirt bike.